Imagine a country where you can stand on the equator, explore the Amazon rainforest, climb active volcanoes, relax on Pacific beaches, and visit wildlife found nowhere else on Earth, all in a single nation. Welcome to Ecuador, one of the most biologically and culturally diverse countries in the world. Despite being small in size, Ecuador holds an incredible mix of ancient civilizations, colonial history, indigenous traditions, modern lifestyles, and dramatic climates. Today, we'll explore Ecuador's history, culture, lifestyle, and climate to understand what makes this country truly unique. Part 1. History of ECU Audio ancient civilizations long before the Spanish arrived. Ecuador was home to advanced indigenous civilizations. Some of the earliest cultures, such as the Valdivia civilization, existed over 5,000 years ago, making them among the oldest in the Americas. Later, cultures like the Quitus Canari and Caras developed agriculture, pottery, trade networks, and spiritual traditions closely tied to nature. Inca Empire. In the late 1400s, Ecuador became part of the Inca Empire, ruled from present-day Peru. The Incas brought stone architecture, road systems, and administrative control, but their rule in Ecuador was Spanish colonization in 1534. Spanish conquistadors led by Sebastián de Benalcázar captured Quito, Ecuador, then became part of the Spanish Empire for nearly 300 years. During this time, indigenous people were forced into labor Catholicism, replaced many native beliefs Spanish. Language and customs became dominant, however. Indigenous culture never disappeared, it adapted and survived. Independence. Ecuador gained independence from Spain in 1822, led by revolutionary figures like Simon Bolivar. It officially became a republic in 1830. Since then, Ecuador has experienced political changes, economic challenges, and social movements shaping the modern nation we see today. Part 2. Ecuador's geographic regio is famous for its 4 distinct regions, each with its own climate, culture, and lifestyle. 1. The coast, La Costa, hot and tropical, known for beaches, seafood, and agriculture. Cities like Guayaquil are economic hubs. People here are known for being outgoing and expressive too. Tresante, Amazon, El Oriente. Dense rainforest. Home to indigenous tribes and rare wildlife. Extremely humid and biodiverse. Many communities still live traditionally for the Galapagos Islands, world famous for wildlife-inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, strict conservation laws, one of the most unique ecosystems on Earth. Part 3. Climate of Ecuador. Despite its name, Ecuador's climate is not the same everywhere. Key climate facts. Ecuador lies on the equator, so daylight hours stay consistent year-round. Climate depends more on altitude than seasons. Climate by region. Coast, hot, humid, rainy season and dry season. Highlands, mild days, cool nights, occasional rain. Amazon, hot, wet, and humid all year. Galapagos, mild, dry season and warmer, wet season. Because of this variety, Ecuador is often called a country of eternal spring. Part 4. Culture and tradition. Since Indigenous Heritage Ecuador has over 14 recognized indigenous nationalities, each with its own language, clothing, and customs. Many still practice ancestral farming, medicine, and spiritual rituals. Traditional clothing is still worn in rural areas, especially in the Andes. Language Spanish is the official lingua franca, and Shua are also recognized indigenous languages, remain an important part of identity festivals and celebrations. Ecuadorians love festivals, many of which mix Catholic and indigenous traditions. Some major celebrations include Inti Raymi Festival of the Sun, carnival music, water fights, dancing, Day of the Dead, honoring ancestors with food and rituals, food culture. Ecuadorian food reflects regional diversity. Ceviche seafood dish, lapinachos, potato pancakes, hornado roast pork, encebollado fish soup. Very popular meals are often shared with family, emphasizing community. Part 5. Lifestyle and daily life. Family and community. Family is central to Ecuadorian life. Many people live close to relatives and gatherings are frequent. Respect for elders and strong community ties are deeply valued. Urban versus rural life. Cities. Modern lifestyle, technology, education, businesses. Rural areas, traditional farming, slower pace, strong cultural preservation, work, and economy. Ecuador's economy relies on agriculture, bananas, cacao, coffee, oil, tourism, fishing in recent years. Ecuador has also attracted digital nomads and expats. Currency. Ecuador uses the US dollar, which is unique in South America and helps stabilize the economy. Part 6. Modern Ecuador and global identity. Today, Ecuador balances modern development with environmental conservation. It is one of the first countries to recognize nature's rights in its constitution. Ecuadorians are proud of their biodiversity, cultural diversity, resilience, and warmth despite challenges. Ecuador continues to grow as a nation that values tradition, nature, and community. Ecuador may be small, but it is a country of big history, deep culture, and incredible natural beauty. From ancient civilizations to modern cities, from the Amazon rainforest to the Galapagos Islands, Ecuador truly represents 4 worlds in one country. If you enjoyed learning about Ecuador, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content about countries, cultures, and history around the world.